Hello, peoples. Today I just wanted to share some Tiki Takis because they're awesome. I don't know about you guys, but I think this is adorable. He's just jumping up and down. And I thought this was adorable. Like, can we just appreciate how cute she looks? Can we just appreciate that? She's adorable. Oh, do not roast your wife, my dude. You will regret it. Oh, no. She roasting you. You roasted her and now she got full rage mode. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That life will be the last thing you've ever done. No, I'm not okay. I'm always not okay. Same, my dude! I don't even have enough energy to start off my day. And this kid already making songs. How you do that? Yes, I can. Yep. No, it doesn't. My mental health is nothing to me. I will not take a oofing break. Thank you very much. Oh my god, beautiful. Wow. Oh, I love this one. It's so good, my dude. You'll love this one too. Beautiful. Congratulations, it's a boy. You didn't cut the cord. iPhone cord. Never mind, it's a girl. Is this how I was born? Wait, is this how I was born, my dude? Is this how I was born? Okay. Me at the store. Stop acting like a McDonald's when they say they have no ice cream and you're just like, okay, give me my ice cream. Oh, this is me every time I'm with my friends. Just yeet them in the water. Wow. Wow. Who said 1? We have 10. My kidnapper getting sick of my oof. This is what I would do just to try and annoy him. Me coming back dead. This is me, and and the cat is my brother. He just like, I don't want to clean up, and then I'm like, you're going to oof, clean the damn floor. Everyone. This is my favorite so far. I don't know about it. It's just awesome. This is literally my cat I got for just something random. So I had this cat for like maybe like his entire lifetime, and he was just like my favorite. I had another cat that I had for like, I don't know, when I was like 7. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe when I was just, oh, I remember. When I was 3 or 5. Can't remember. 3 or 5. And I got this cat for Christmas. And as I was holding the little kitten, it ran out of my hands and just went everywhere. It just screamed. And it was the opposite of my other cat that I have. We didn't really give him a name. I wanted to call him Strawberry because he had an orange fur. Like, he had an orange fur, like a pale orange, and I wanted to call him Strawberry, but my parents were like, nope, nope, nope. We don't want to name him. We're going to call him Little Kitty. So, yeah, that's his name, Little Kitty. And he just always wanted pets. He loved me the most. Like, he always wanted me. Like, whenever I closed my door, he would go full rage mode on the door. Like, he would be like, let me in! And I would just be hoping that my door doesn't break down. And then he'd come in to snuggle me after. More. 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 5 years later. This is my little kitty Dash. My first cat. Dash. Where did all the time go, my dog? Wang. Okay, this one scared me the most. When you wake up around, oh God. Oh. When you wake up around 2 to 3 a.m. without any reason, there's an 80% chance that someone's staring at you. Wait, what? I keep watching this over and over again, and I'm like, wait, does that mean I'm being watched? Because every oofing day, or night I should be saying, I wake up at like 3 a.m. and I'm just like, I feel like something's watching me, and go back to sleep. But the thing is, I can never go to sleep. Once I wake up, I'm never going back to sleep. 0% chance I'm going back to sleep. Me if I was in the car. I thought this was awesome. I thought this was awesome. I thought that was awesome. Me when my friend says, do you want to come play? You really want to? You want to catch these hands, my bro? You want to fight me, my dude? Oh, I love this one. Yeah, boy! Fredo? I don't know him. We got Kudo, though. We don't know. Oh, don't worry. These are just the dead animals poses. Don't worry. Why did you give these dogs and cats alcohol, you monster? How dare you? They're dead now. I thought this one was sweet. What? No. Nah. Nice. We hear you, my dude. We hear you, my dog. What? Can you show me how? I always loved cooking, but my parents never let me. I'm gonna bring this kid into my house and be like, this is our new cook. Dare you. What? What? Why? You walking past me? You dead. Well, I didn't do anything. Dead. Dead. Excuse me, why am I putting sugar on my face? Tell me now. Everyone gonna be listening to her. I'm already bored. Make this suspenseful now. Okay. We're not gonna explode our microwave now. We're not gonna do that for now. Okay, this is boring. My favorite song. Oh, Einstein's. Nice. Look at, you need to clean your dryer or you're dead. 15,000 fires? Excuse me? Excuse me? What? What? 500 injuries? Whoa. Whoa, okay. Whoa. Only 15 minutes? Wow. Your clothes are going to dry faster? I'm going to be doing this every 2 days. Thank you very much. What? Excuse me. Get me that app. What? Can I do this on my lost dog? That was my best friend. Is it just me, or did my dog, whenever I cried at night and my parents never came to help me, my dog would come into my room, snuggle me, and literally, just let me sleep on him. I was just like a baby. Every time I slept in my crib, when I was just like a couple months old, and I slept in my crib, my dog would always sleep next to me on the floor, and it was adorable. My mom would be like, "But you don't have to sleep on the floor, you know." And then he would just go crazy mode and be like, "I have to. It's my responsibility." It's adorable. This is me. This is me when I have to watch my mom get a breakdown. I'm just like, okay. Okay. So many dogs! Oh my god! So many frickin' dogs. Basically cursing the entire time. trying to make a story. Hold up. Ready? She was trying to do a TikTok. But watch what happens to her face. Look at this. Look, it's just go crazy. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Oh, Noah. Noah. Cool baby Noah. Okay, that's all for this video for today. I'm trying to keep my videos short now. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe, like, and I will do more TikTok videos. Bye-bye.